everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Priyasha Das from CrackZat, and if you are watching this video after CAT is over, then welcome. In this video, you are going to have everything sorted out in one place. That is, for any ZAT aspirant, there are three major things to know. Okay, that is, एक महीने में कैसे पढ़ना है, क्या पढ़ना है, कितना पढ़ना है, and of course कहाँ से पढ़ना है, and what should be the right way of getting the things done appropriately in 30 days. So I will be answering all these questions today in this video. Okay, we'll also be sharing the 30 days strict planner with you. Okay, so stay tuned till the very end of this video, because this video is going to talk about most of the important things you need to know about that. Okay, and yes, tune in to our 11 p.m. daily live starting from today onwards, so that you get to know the other important details regarding that XLRI, how to study, and different other sections like GK, English, poem-based RCs, decision making, etc. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing on your screen right now is what you see as the 30 days planner. This is something I want you all to study and follow religiously, because if you follow this planner, I can actually assure you that you will be in a position to get a very decent score in the ZAT examination, based on, even if you are starting from the scratch. But how to utilize this 30 days planner is basically the most important thing what we are here to talk about. So when I say that you are going to take it as the primary topic, the first column which you see here, so the primary topic is basically dividing your day into 2 or 3 study sessions. Now study sessions means what? Since you all are now planning to give the ZAT examination, which you know is a 3-hour exam, let me tell you that you need to prepare your body to be ready to sit for at least 3.5 hours daily. Okay, daily. If you can put that up in the same slot in which you're writing the paper, there's only single slot in that. So अगर same time frame में आप कर सकते हो, then it's perfect. And if not, then still at least every day 3 or 3.5 hours of practice of sitting in a place is definitely going to work wonders. Because see guys, brain is nothing but a supercomputer, and the way we train it, the way it delivers in the D-Day. So therefore make sure that your body should feel that ये तो मेरे normal चीज है, this is something which I do every day, and should not utilize that extra energy onto thinking or getting irritated by the chair you're sitting in, right? So this is number one. So in your study sessions, the first study session, or in any order, one of the study sessions should be the primary topic study session, where you will be learning the things I have listed below. If you're doing it by self practice, and of course, yes, from that. The second study session has to be the daily rituals which you see in the table. That is daily rituals, because I don't want you to skip it at any cost. किसी दिन कम पढ़ाई हुई, किसी दिन ज़्यादा पढ़ाई हुई, किसी दिन टेस्ट दिया, किसी दिन नहीं दिया, is completely fine. But when I call this thing as daily rituals on your screen, I mean I want you to do this on a everyday basis without fail. It might take 90 minutes to 2 hours depending upon a person's speed, but yes, this is what I want you to do every single day, which will help your brain become more flexible and be more trained to jump from one topic to another. Because you know that ZAT does not have any sectional timings, so it gives you the flexibility to jump from one section to the other section anytime. So ये चीज पहले से घर से सीख के जाना is really really important for you. Now the third thing is the third session of your day, which has to be a test taking session. So I, according to this schedule, have allotted you 9 mocks, full length mocks ka space. If you can give more, that's good. If you cannot give 9, at least 7 to 6 mocks is what I definitely want you to do, without which your preparation will be completely incomplete. Okay, so make sure you are investing in your mocks as well. Now the most important thing is, how are we going to study, from where are we going to study, and what is that key thing which you will talk about, Priyasha, which can help anyone to crack the ZAT exam. So before I come to that, I would request all of you that please don't mind subscribing to the channel, guys. It's absolutely free for you, but it means a lot to me. All of this which I'm doing, the free sessions, the free query resolutions, everything which I'm doing is basically for building up a community where I can very proudly go out and say that this is my set of people, who are those educated, well known people who have done good things in their life, and they believe that we can also achieve better things by doing something different, by helping people out there. So please be a part of this community by subscribing to this channel, and if you like this video also, then hit that like button as well. Share it with more people, because that's how the channel grows. And coming back to the context now, that is, where do you get the study material from? So remember everyone that for cracking this exam or any other entrance examination, one thing which is primarily important is to know that you need consistency and self preparation, that is self practice time. So irrespective of whether you're taking additional classes from someone or join any course or coaching center, irrespective of that, at the end of the day you have to definitely practice questions on your own and realize where are you going wrong or which are your strong topics, etc. So therefore with these two things you need the right material. So if you're self preparing, I have made a exhaustive PDF where I have given the links of which exact material to use for which topics for the ZAT examination. So if you haven't got that yet in one of my reels which I shared, then you can comment RM below in the comment section and I'll be sharing that link with you directly. So you can go to my Mega Drive link present in the Telegram link of mine, okay, the pinned chats, and you can access those good material there. बट उसमें भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, तो एग्जैक्टली आपको कौन सी उसमें से चाहिए वो मैंने स्पेसिफिकली उस पीडीएफ में मेंशन किया. सो कमेंट आ रहे हैं एंड आई विल बी शेयरिंग दैट विद यू इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. ओके. And second thing is daily rituals. So see, I have heard a lot of people saying this to me orally, but literally this video is one of my gauging benchmarks or parameters by which I'll decide should I really get into this commitment or not. What is the commitment? The commitment is providing you the material for the daily rituals. So जैसे मैंने कहा था before few minutes that daily ritual is something I don't want you to skip at any cost. So if you want me to provide you that exact material which you should practice on a daily basis as a part of the daily rituals, then you have to comment daily rituals in the comment section. Okay, if I get a good volume of comments, only then I'll commit to this. Otherwise it's going to be a huge commitment for me. So do let me know if you really want, if you're serious about the daily rituals. Okay, then I'll definitely work out on that. Now what is the concern? The concern is how do you stay motivated and serious till the very end of these 30 days of your preparation. सो उसके लिए दो चीजें बहुत जरूरी है. नंबर वन इज यू नीड एन एक्नॉलेजमेंट पार्टनर. यू नीड टू टेल दिस टू समवन ऑन एन एवरीडे बेसिस कि क्या पढ़ा, कितना पढ़ना था और कितना पढ़ना बाकी है. बिकॉज यू नो दिस इज समथिंग रॉन्ग विद अस when it comes to adulting, that we generally think अरे ठीक है यार कोई बात नहीं. बट दिस ठीक है यार कोई बात नहीं, इफ इट हैपेंस ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, लेट्स से 2-4 डेज, तो 30 डेज के पीरियड में मैं आपको 2-4 डेज के लिए डीरेल होना अफोर्ड करने नहीं दे सकती. That can really hamper your preparation, and therefore you need to start from day one talking to someone or telling them about your preparation, staying in touch with a mentor. It can be anyone around you, your coaching centers or me, okay, anyone whom you feel comfortable with. Just go and tell them about your progress every single day, okay. And you can tell this to me or via the free query section as well if you want to, and I'll definitely respond back to it, okay. But stay connected with a mentor around, because that helps you to stay very focused in your preparation. दिन बहुत कम है and I literally don't want you to skip any day or just get derailed from the preparation. So make sure you are serious with that. And definitely one thing is take mocks seriously, because mocks is one way of gauging where you are and also figuring out what is going wrong in your preparation so that you can fix it right away. But इसके साथ I have a good news for you people as well. That is, if you are interested in having a session with me where we can discuss the non PYQs of decision making and poem based RCs, and I'm also planning to launch some batches for it, very tiny ones, 5 classes, 9 classes batches, which you all can join as well. So the details of that I'll be sharing very soon with you people, and also showing up right here. So based on the days and the timings in which you are suitable, you can join these batches for sure. And daily life को तो बिल्कुल ही मत भूलना. Every day 11 p.m. starting from 1st of December is when you will be seeing me coming up with the exhaustive content. So see, I'm showing you the content here. It's the weekly calendar I have already prepared. Okay. So you can use this and you will definitely be a part. And yes, अगर इस बात की चिंता सता रही है कि GK और GDPI का क्या करना है, तो उसके लिए भी I'll be taking care of. Okay. So GK के लिए स्पेसिफिकली आपको मेरे रिसोर्सेज के बाहर पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये मैं इतनी कॉन्फिडेंटली इसलिए बोल रही हूँ बिकॉज लास्ट 2 साल में I have seen the questions which I have given to you people during my YT lives and the PDFs which I was sharing with you people last year. उसमें से 7 to 8 questions लास्ट ईयर आए थे और उससे पहले भी 5 to 7 questions आए थे पिछले साल. तो ये फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच कर रही है गाइज, तो आप लोग मुझ पर विश्वास कर सकते हो इन जी के. सो विद दिस आई विल बी वाइंडिंग अप दिस वीडियो, लेटिंग यू नो कि हमने इसमें सारी चीज़ें डिस्कस कर ली. कहाँ से पढ़ना है, कैसे पढ़ना है, कितने दिन पढ़ना है, कितने इंटेंसिटी के साथ पढ़ना है, डे को कैसे डिवाइड करना है, एक्सेट्रा. सो इसके अलावा भी आपको कोई भी क्वेरीज हो तो फील फ्री टू कमेंट बिलो एंड लेट मी नो. एंड हाँ, कमेंट के इनिशियल्स जो मैंने आपके लिए छोड़े थे वो थे कमेंट RM इफ यू वांट द रीडिंग मटेरियल PDF, and comment daily rituals if you're really serious about daily rituals and want me to give you the questions. All the best everyone. ये एग्जाम भी अच्छा जाएगा. Do not worry about it. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe because that's how the channel grows. Take care everyone. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Oh, actually see you in the live 11 p.m. See you there.